Hi guys, hope you are all right. In today's podcast, here is the Adam, who is our past client. He asked us to build an application uh, for barbers and saloons, so that those professionals can create account and they can reserve on the platform. So it's like the idea will be explained by Adam himself. I would like to know how was his experience with InceptMVP and everything. So first, I would like to understand what was the idea on which he got, and what he wanted to build. So Adam can tell about that.
Yeah, so firstly, we wanted only to make an app for booking to barbers, but then when we were thinking about that, we decided we will make an app for all body care services because why only one type of service? And we are looking for some company that would be able to develop this app because we aren't developers, we are just students, and we just got the idea and we uh, came up, we saw Mohsin on Bubble, so he contacted us and we had a meeting and he said that he would be able to make the app. We signed the contract and then the development continued and now the app is fully functional. It's on App Store and also on Google Play, and we are just starting now with the app, and I think we are doing pretty good, and Mohsin did a really good job on the development. So now uh, Mohsin's InceptMVP's job is almost finished, and our job to market the app in our country is now the most important one.
Okay, great. So my next question is that, why did you choose Bubble? Like, how did you hear about Bubble, and why did you decide to use it as compared to other technologies like Stack, or there are many technologies available. So how did you hear about Bubble? What was the reason choosing it for developing your application?
We chose it because one of our friends from Czech Republic, he's a app developer. He recommended it to us. We are really new to making apps, and he said we might be able to do it ourselves, but we weren't able to do it ourselves. But we saw that we can hire someone for it there, and we also thought it will be much quicker than making it in code. So we said let's try it. We also thought that it will be cheaper than making the code, so we tried it, and it was, I think, really good choice. Yeah.
Yeah, the benefit of using Bubble is that you can reduce the cost of development a lot, maybe 5 times. That's the benefit of using Bubble. And also you can quickly build your application and you can modify it. And when you are a startup, you need your first MVP launched very quickly or prepared very quickly. And you can achieve that with Bubble. Maybe if you choose other technologies, it may take like 6 months to build the initial version of the application, and that can delay the process, and which is quite not good for a startup idea. So next is like when you choose a tech company for your startup, like what comes in your mind? Like what are the expectations of a client or you from a tech company when you hire them? What are the main things that you are expecting from a tech company?
So the main things I think is that they can deliver what they said. That is very important, and also like a quick response time. For example, changing some details quickly, and yeah, I think that is the most important one. And also for us, because we are a small startup, the cost factor was very important, and I think that like your company is like very the price is very, I would say, friendly, yeah, for us.
Yeah, I think that there are many factors. One is that whatever is committed, that should be delivered. That's what you said, and similarly, you're saying that cost is important and quality of work is important. So these things are important. Definitely, these are important for tech startup. So I would like to know about your application. Like, what are your future goals with that? Like, how you are going to market your product? Like, do you have any plans? Like, will you run Google ads, Facebook ads, or what is going to be your marketing strategy for your product?
So now, firstly, we are launching the app in our city. We have about 100,000 people here, and so now we are walking around the city. Also, we are making some reels on TikTok and Instagram, and also we want to go to other cities in Czech Republic, and we will mostly use Google and Facebook and Instagram advertising ads, yeah. And also we are sending emails about our app to all of the barbers and other services. Yeah.
Yeah, that's like it looks like you want to use a digital marketing approach so that you can reach people on different channels who belong to this industry. So they sign up on the platform, and also you are going to the shops, barber shops, and everywhere. So to reach out to these people to find out like if they are interested in joining the platform and showing the platform like how they can make money
Yes.
from that. Yeah, that's good to know. So, the we are just it's just a small podcast. So I would like to know a little bit like when someone is looking for a tech company, what they should take care of, like what are the items they should be taking care of, like how to check profile or what you recommend, like. So that is my question, and I want to know like if someone is looking for a partner, a tech partner to build application, then what they should take care of while hiring a company.
Mm, can you please say it once more? The question.
I was telling like for example, if there is someone who is looking for a tech company to build their startup idea, what things they should take care of in that, what are the things like they check the profile or reviews or someone, what are the items they should look into while hiring a company?
Mm, I think they should research about that company, like also look at our other projects that they were working on before, and make research if they can make their app possible, and also, uh, yeah, also like ask friends or ask our their clients if they were satisfied with their service, I would say.
Yeah, I think that the feedback from the previous clients is a great thing. Like if they are happy with the service, then the next client who comes up, they will also be satisfied with the service because they are committed with quality. And same approach we use here too. So under InceptMVP, do you have any recommendations to improve that we can take care of? Like any things that you believe like we can improve so that our future clients will be happy with our services.
Like the only thing I was missing from our company was the more languages in our app. Like maybe improve this, but I think other than that, I was very satisfied.
Okay, okay, great. So, anything, any modifications, any new features that you would like to add into the application, we'll be happy to help you with them. Adding new features into the application. So, when you have like come up with enough changes to be added, you let us know, we will do them. And same approach we use with our past clients too. When we do our tech, we build an application for them. We just don't finish the project, project they are the next stages, like they come up with the new ideas that they would like to add into the application. They come up with them and we accommodate them into the application. So there is like a monthly retainer they have to pay, but that adds a lot of quality, and they don't need to worry about improving the application. We are consistently available to improve their application. So, Adam, thank you very much for your time. It was very much helpful. So, thank you. We'll be
Also,
happy
thank
to
you.
help you in future too. Thank you.